Health and vitality has always been my top priority. There is no better time than now to take action to support your immunity. When you keep your immune system strong, it keeps stress low and prevents you from falling sick easily. I have created this very special Immunity QiYoga Kit, which combines Qigong flow and Yin Yoga to help you clear toxins, to nourish your organs, strengthen your immunity, and reduce stress, anxiety, and calm your nervous system. The kit is a series that focuses on stress relief, emotional balance, and transform fear to vitality. You can practice them to suit your need for the day. Each one is made with so much deep thoughts and love behind it to really support and nourish you, and to bring this beautiful nature to you so that you can do them without leaving your home. The practices will help to strengthen your Wei Qi, which is known as the protective Qi, which is the first line of defense against external pathogens like viruses, sickness, and diseases. The stronger and more nourished your protective Wei Qi, the more resistant you become to external pathogens and the more health and vitality you have.